Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money using AI on YouTube. Yes, I'm going to be showing you an AI tool that helps YouTube creators, and at the same time, you can use this AI tool to potentially make money by offering different services to YouTube creators. Now, before we begin, I would appreciate to show you, goes by the name of Maurice.ai. So what is this AI all about? So as you can see here, was featured on Product Hunt. Growing on YouTube is overwhelming. Let AI make things easier. So trained with data from the most successful channels, Maurice.ai understands exactly what it takes to go viral, while you just have to focus on creating videos, so making things 5 times easier. So simply put, Maurice.ai, this is an AI tool designed to help YouTube creators grow their channels by providing video optimization and SEO tools. So it analyzes data from the most successful channels to provide insights, recommendations that helps creators make data-driven decisions to increase their viewership and engagement. So if we will go back and check, so here's like a video, an example of how it works. I'll show you okay, what's inside Maurice.ai. So here you see creators should only have to focus on creating videos, not algorithms. So let Maurice.ai take care of everything. So here are some of the features that Maurice.ai is currently offering. Okay, as we speak, it's still being improved and developed. So video ideas, community posts, video tags or keywords, video titles, video descriptions, so on. So all of these tools combined can save you days of work, which does make sense. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside this tool. Okay, so I'm now logged into the inside dashboard of Maurice AI. So this AI tool this is what's inside when you have logged in. So it's pretty simple. So you click the tools, and then here are the available tools that you can use at the moment. So first is video ideas. So it will allow you to create your next video upload. So all you have to do is to put in your channel handle, and then based on what's already inside that channel, so it will give you an idea related to that. Okay, so you just have to put in your channel handle, and then you can click generate idea. Okay, so another one is community post. So this is actually good. You just have to put in your channel handle, and it will generate you community posts. You can choose poll or not. Okay, so that's it. Community post is actually helpful here in growing your YouTube account. At the same time, here are some. Okay, this is for the meta description. So video title. So if you go here, okay, existing or rough video title. So if you want to have an idea on how to make a title out of the potential video that you're about to make, you can click it, or you can enter it here, and then Maurice will generate titles for you. Another one is video description. This is one of the awesome features that it has. So all you have to do is to enter the video title, or the video title of your YouTube video, and it will generate you a video title or a video description. Okay, so you see, descriptions are boring. Let AI generate long SEO optimized video descriptions for your videos in seconds. Okay, video tags. So it allows you to create video tags as well. So you just have to put in video titles. So if you already have the video title, you just put it in there, and it will generate relevant video tags for you. And capitalization, so it will just capitalize your video titles. Okay, so currently it's still not yet launched, but it will allow you to generate thumbnails, which is awesome, and pre-scripts. Okay, so YouTube video scripts, which is really good. You just have to edit it based on your preference. Okay, so let's try it out. So video description, let's say the tool or the title of the video that we're going to make is "Will AI take over the world?" Okay, and let's see what it will generate. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and then wait for Maurice to generate the video description. Okay, so here it is. So what will the future of AI hold? Will it take over the world? In this video, we explore the potential of AI and what it could mean for society, both now and in the future. We'll look at the pros and cons of AI and how it could shape our world. Join us as we dive into the world of AI and explore the possibilities. Amazing. Okay, so it is, it is concise. It is, compact, I would say. You can further expand into that, copy description, generate another one if it's not, if it is not within your expected or satisfactory length, so that you can generate more. But that in and of itself is really good. Okay, now the question is, how do we make money using this? Now there's a lot of ways. Now what I would think of right now is that you can make money aside from growing your YouTube channel, of course, with the help of this tool. You can actually, even without a YouTube channel, you can actually make money using this tool. How? You offer these features as a service. So for example, video ideas. You go to Fiverr, okay? You type in YouTube video ideas. You will see here thousands of freelancers offering service, that what they're offering is, I will provide trending video ideas for any industry. I will give you fresh new ideas. You have unlimited capability, okay? You have a free trial, and then you have a different price tier. Let's look into the price. Okay, so the current plan is free. Now, what they have is $22 per month. So they have a limited video ideas generator, community post, everything is unlimited, okay? So that's it. Now, how do we make money? You offer this service individually. So for example, video ideas, you can offer that service. Okay, you charge even $5 and you are able to generate unlimited video ideas relevant to their channel. Community posts, you can offer that service as well. Video titles, you can offer that. Okay, video description. So let's see, YouTube video description. Okay, yep. So it has a lot. I will do YouTube video SEO keywords, titles, descriptions. These are all, you can use this without any skill, without any experience. All you have to do is to take advantage or take leverage of the power of this AI tool, and you can make money online. Okay, I will write the best SEO title, I will do YouTube video SEO keywords, and so much more. And demand is high, 600 orders, 500 orders, and so on. Depends on how you tag and categorize your gigs. Okay, so the video tags, capitalization, and imagine once these two are launched, then that's really good. Now, how do you position, or how do you actually put it? So if you offer video idea suggestions, how would you price it? You could price your service on a per idea or package basis. So for example, with package, you can include different levels like what I've shown. Okay, you can provide different levels of video ideas and recommendation based on the creator's niche and target audience. So the price could range from, let's say, a few dollars, let's say $5 per idea, to a few $100s per package. Let's say on $100, you'll be able to write like 20, 30, 25 video ideas relevant to that creator's channel. Okay, so depending on the level of optimization and research required, you can charge more. So you can also offer, let's say you're offering video description and tag optimization service, you can charge, let's say, a fee per video, or offer package as well based on the number of videos to be optimized. So for example, you're charging like $10 for one video to be optimized. Okay, whether it's tags, whether it's description, you can charge differently or separately from that, or you can offer it as a package. Okay, so you can even charge $100 or more per package, depending again on the complexity, or depending on the number of videos that needs to be optimized. Now you can use a lot of platforms here. If you, like I've shown, Fiverr, you can go to Fiverr, you can go to Upwork, you can go to social media, be part of a YouTube community that's already existing, or make your own website. If you already have your own blog, you can definitely do so. You can create a portfolio of your services by making your own website. Okay, showcase examples of your work to attract clients. So by doing so, if you will have a potential client, you can go ahead and immediately route them to your portfolio, to your, to the client reviews, the testimonials, etc. And if you already have that solid social profile, okay, you can go ahead and approach directly small businesses, small creators to start with, and then you grow and you scale your business as you go. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.